Hello, it's Kevin here again with my 2018 Midsize Ranger 570 build. I did a bit of a review earlier. I'm just starting now to install some of the components. This is the glass windshield. It's ridiculously easy to install. Looked at the instructions, it says 5 minutes. If you can't have this thing in place by yourself within less than a minute, then you've run into a few problems. This is super simple. There's 4 levers that basically act like a cam. And basically you set the windshield in place. It's got a really nice square recess cut into the contour of the cab, the ROPS. Really nice gasket on the windshield itself, so it compresses nicely. Basically, you just set it in. I lifted it up just a little bit to make sure that you're not seated too far down in this area here. But it super easy. 4 of these clamps, like I said. Very, very nice fitting. I was looking at the tip out unit, a little bit more money. I've heard good and bad. I don't have any regrets going with this one based on the fact that it takes literally seconds to remove, let's say you're camping or whatnot and it gets really dusty, hot, dry. Dust is an issue with these little buggies. That is one of the pros with the tip out. You can lift it up and ventilate the cab. The shock absorbers apparently wear or they lose their, I guess, compressive strength over time. Doesn't hold the windshield up as nice. But anyway, nonetheless, this unit's going to work fine for what I'm using it for. I can take it out in seconds, store it in the camper. I don't have the rear windshield yet. I am going to purchase that. It will be glass, and I suspect it's going to be the same deal. Really, really quick to install. So my 2 cents on the glass windshield.